Habari, welcome to Swahili Grammar Mini Course video number 9. In this video we will learn about personal subject prefixes on verbs. Personal subject prefixes on verbs. Now before we proceed, let me tell you something. If you want to become fluent in conversational Swahili, please consider subscribing so you can receive a new video every week. Having said that, let's start. Alright, now let's take a look at personal subject prefixes on verbs. Okay, now what are the personal subject prefixes? These are special prefixes added to the verb to show who is doing the verb. Okay? These are special prefixes added to the verb to show who is doing the verb. I'll give you an example. Now take this sentence as an example, okay? Mimi ninasoma kitabu. Mimi ninasoma kitabu, okay? Which means I am reading a book, okay? Mimi ninasoma kitabu. Now at this point we all know what Mimi means, right? We learned about personal pronouns, okay, in the previous video. So we know Mimi means I, okay? Mimi means I, okay? Now there is another form in Swahili. There is another form that you can say, you can write this sentence without Mimi, okay? And it will still mean I am reading a book. Now let's take a look. This sentence right here, ninasoma kitabu. Ninasoma kitabu means I am reading a book. Now, if you notice, there is no Mimi. Okay? There is no Mimi in the beginning of this sentence. It just starts with ninasoma kitabu. But it means the same. It means the same thing. Ninasoma kitabu means I am reading a book. Now, why is that? Let's take a look. To understand this, to understand personal subject prefixes on verbs, we will learn about the verb. The verb here is ninasoma. Okay, ninasoma. I am reading. Ninasoma. Now this by itself, it can be a sentence just like that. Okay, ninasoma, which means I am reading. Okay, I am reading. Now ninasoma, the first ni is what we are going to be talking about in this video. The first ni right here, ni, is what is called personal subject prefix. It's called personal subject prefix. Okay? Soma is a verb. Okay, soma is a verb. Okay, So here we go. Ni is a personal subject prefix. Na is a present tense marker. Okay? Is a present tense marker. Soma is a verb. Okay? So the verb here is soma. Na is here as a present tense marker. Okay? Na is here as a tense marker. Okay? Mi is what is known as personal subject prefix. So Nina Soma means I am reading. And you can see now that you do not have to use the word Mimi, because you already have Ni, which stands for personal subject prefix. It means I. So Ni means I. Na means am. Am. Na is a present tense marker. Soma is a verb, read. Okay? Read. Okay? But in Swahili, it is okay to use Mimi alongside Ni. Okay? In a sentence. So, if you say, and it is very common in Swahili to hear people or people say Mimi Nina Soma. Okay, they already use Mimi, which is a personal pronoun. Okay, Mimi, a personal pronoun, but they still use personal subject prefix in a verb. Okay, Mimi Nina Soma Kitabu. Okay. Now let's learn more of the personal subject prefixes. Okay. So Ni means I. Example, Nina Kula, which means I am eating. Nina Kula. Okay. The verb here is kula, which means eat. Remember, Na is here as a tense marker, a present tense marker. Okay? And we will learn about that when we learn about tenses. But for now, let's concentrate on personal subject prefix on a verb. Okay? So Ni means I. Okay, so when you say Nina Kula, it means I am eating. Okay, now U means you. Okay, this is a personal subject prefix used on a verb to mean you. Okay, stands for you. Okay, so in our example, it will be una kula. Okay, U is a personal subject prefix on a verb kula. Okay, so una kula means you are eating. Okay, here we have a, which means he or she. Okay, so in an example, anakula, a is a personal subject prefix on a verb kula. So anakula means he or she is eating. Okay, he or she is eating. Okay, tu stands for we. Okay, tu is a personal subject prefix used on a verb to stand for we. Okay, tunakula means we are eating. Okay, sorry about the error. We are eating. Okay, tunakula means we are eating. Okay, mm, mm, is a personal subject prefix on a verb, which means you all. So you in plural. Okay, so when we say nakula, it means you are eating. You in plural, you all of you are eating. Okay, wa is another personal subject prefix used on a verb, which stands for they. Okay, so wanakula means they are eating. Okay, wanakula means they are eating. Okay, now let's take a look at all the personal subject prefixes. Okay, so here we have personal pronouns mimi, which means I, and we have personal subject prefixes ni, which means I. Okay, but ni is combined with a verb. Okay, ni is combined with a verb. Okay, wewe is a personal pronoun. Okay, u is a personal subject prefix. Okay, which means you, singular, you. Okay, yeye. Okay, yeye is a personal pronoun. A is a personal subject prefix. Okay, which means he or she. Okay, sisi is a personal pronoun. Okay, tu is a personal subject prefix used on a verb, which means we. Okay, we. Ninyi is a personal pronoun. Is a personal subject prefix used on a verb. Okay, okay, which means you, all of you, you in plural. Okay, wow is a personal pronoun. Okay, wow. Wa is a personal subject prefix. Okay, a personal subject prefix, wa, which means they. Okay, they. Okay, all right, now that's it on this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. If you do have a question, please don't forget to ask in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Kwaheri.